Hi friends, welcome back to the Livara YouTube channel. Many of us have been in this position where we have the braids for the longest time, but then we're either too lazy to take them out or we really want to remain with them for the next month or 2 months, and we are struggling with keeping them neat and looking fresh and sexy. So anyway, today we're going to show you a very simple locking method on how you can repair your braids safely in order for them to remain looking fresh and neat and yet have the hair grow very well and very healthily. So it's a very simple locking method, as you can see it in the video. There is no strain on your hair. The braid will not be too heavy for your hair, and yet your hair will be semi-locked so that it can continue to grow as fast as it should do. So in as much as you lock the bases, you also have to make sure that the hair along the braid itself is also locked, just like Joseph showed you in the video earlier on. We're going to do a few more so that you can look carefully and clearly to see exactly what we do. So we pass the locking needle through, pull on the braid and make sure that it is locked at the bottom. Then we go ahead along the braid itself and lock all those peeping hairs to make sure that everything is intact. Then we roll it over and boom, you're done. So we have repaired the whole head of braids. As you can clearly see, everything is properly done. The squares, the boxes look neat. This is hair that had already been in for 3 months meanwhile, so we've given it an extra 2 months of life without damaging it. So in order to keep it healthy, of course, we have to condition it with a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner and deep treatment to make sure that the hair is well moisturized right from the roots. Guys, even if your hair is braided, you must take good care of it, because this is your hair growing afresh from the roots into the braid. The bases must be kept neat, must be kept fresh, must be kept well fed. Only when you condition your hair and then seal in that moisture with the hair oil will it actually grow up healthily. And also this will prevent itching. Meanwhile, we've seen many ladies with their natural hair banging their heads trying to stop the itch, but doing this conditioning on a regular basis removes that itchy feeling from your hair. So yes, we're going to take you through the whole process of conditioning, after which we shall massage the head so that the conditioner sets into the hair and into the hair scalp. So the white things do go away. The conditioner sets into the hair the more you massage it in, also with just a little bit of time. After massaging in the 2-in-1 deep conditioner and leave-in treatment, we then seal in that moisture with the emerald hair food. The emerald hair food is rich in shea butter, castor oil, avocado oil, and some beeswax. These are all very beautiful oils that promote and boost hair growth. So they will effectively seal in the moisture and feed your hair roots so that the hair grows faster and healthier. So we put it just over the 2-in-1 deep conditioner and leave-in treatment, and then later on we massage it into your hair. So meanwhile, you can get these products off the Livara website, mylivara.com, or if you're in the US, you can get the products off Amazon. We're going to share the Amazon links down in the comment section and the description section so that you can easily click on them and get them delivered to your doorstep. So yes, as you can see, we're putting in the emerald hair butter, after which we shall massage it in to make sure that the hair is well fed and your scalp is receiving all the nutrients it needs to grow your hair healthily. As you can see, the white leftover 2-in-1 conditioner is slowly fading into the hair. It gets absorbed, so you just give it a few minutes, massage it in, and let also the air dissolve it into your head. So it will go in and the color will, get away. Lastly, we must remember the hair in the braid itself. Guys, your strands must also be well fed and well protected so that they do not break. Many times, especially when we are opening the hair and we forget about the hair in the braid, the hair ends up breaking. We end up having very many split ends, which is not good at all. So we must use the Tsavorite moisturizing spritz to protect the hair in the braids themselves. And there you go. As you can see, there is absolutely no white residue. Everything was properly absorbed. The hair is healthy and Joan is happy and looking beautiful with her well repaired braids after being given a month or 2 of extra time. So yes guys, that is done. Remember to get yourselves some products. Have a good one.